Cardiorespiratory endurance refers to the ability of the heart, lungs, and circulatory system to supply oxygen efficiently to the muscle during sustained physical activity. It reflects how well these systems work together to meet the body's energy demands during prolonged exercise, such as running, swimming, or cycling. High cardiorespiratory endurance allows the greater stamina and performance while reducing fatigue.
It strengthens the heart, enabling it to pump more blood efficiently, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases.
It enhances the efficiency of the lungs, allowing for better oxygen intake utilization during physical activities.
With better cardiorespiratory endurance, you can engage in physical activities for a longer period without fatigue.
Activities that build cardiorespiratory endurance, like running or swimming, burn calories and help maintain a healthy weight.
Regular cardiovascular exercise can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression by releasing endorphins.
3-minute step-up test. This test is designed to estimate an individual cardiorespiratory fitness level on the basis of submaximal bout of stair climbing at a set pace for 3 minutes.
Una, kailangan natin maghanap ng 12 inches na hagdan kung saan natin gagawin yung 3-minute step-up test. Pero una, kailangan natin ng kasama para meron tayong mag-timer sa atin ng 3 minutes.
So, ako yung magta-timer sa kanya at ito po yung timer na 3 minutes. At babatayan ko siya hanggang 3 minutes na matapos siya.
Make sure that you can hear the beat of the clock and set the metronome to 96 beats for 3 minutes. You may use this 96 BPM online metronome and you can search this in YouTube.
So ngayon ituturo ko ang tamang step kung paano gawin ang 3-minute step-up test. Una, kailangan naka-straight body lang kayo. Tapos, ang next naman, kailangan ang unang iangat yung paa ay kanan. Tapos, kasunod ang kaliwa. Tapos, ang kanan naman ulit ang ibababa. Pati ang kaliwa.
Pagkatapos gawin ang 3-minute step-up test, kailangan magkaroon ng 5 seconds na rest.
May dalawang paraan para sukatin ang pulse rate, dito sa kamay at dito sa leeg.